I'm about to show you how to cut the perfect palm tree. So pay attention, it's gonna be very easy. We're also doing it with the Sawzall. So for people that don't have a chainsaw, you can use a Sawzall and it's gonna look beautiful. So let's go. Some of the pieces at the bottom were so rotted, I was able just to rip them off with my hands. Here's a close-up of where my blade is landing before I start my cut. Go ahead, take your blade, slide it down in there. So go ahead and rest your blade as far as you can in there, and then cut straight up at a little bit of a 45-degree angle. So what I'm cutting away are the old leaves, or they're also called fronds, but these are known for soaking up a lot of water and also having pests migrate and live in them. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of these. So we got our box and we got our gloves. You're gonna need these gloves. So you ain't gonna need them, but you definitely gonna want them, because these things are sharp. And we are back. Some people would take more than what I'm about to off, but I like my tree. I want it a little bit, I want to keep a few more limbs on there and branches, because I want to have a little more privacy as far as like this. I just want more coverage. So I'm going to leave a few more. Other people would probably take a few more off this bottom well. But I'm taking this one. I'm taking a little bit of that one. And then I'm taking this one. So let's go. So these limbs and branches I'm speaking of are actually called fronds. I believe that's how they're pronounced, but we're going to go ahead and clean these up and get rid of a lot of them. In the process of cutting, you can also remove a lot of that foliage and all that debris inside the tree. We're going to go ahead and get up in there with that Sawzall. Be careful not to cut this, but we're going to cut those out. We're going to clean this area up more. Yeah, any of those you see, go ahead and get rid of those stems as best you can. Time to clean up. I'm going to use my power washer to clean this tree up. Look at all that algae it's removing. Wow, I really like the way this tree looks, and I know my wife's gonna be happy too. For more DIY videos, make sure to subscribe.